You ran a webinar, then your manager asks you the one question you can't actually answer. Did it bring in any revenue? So let me show you a report that can fix this problem. It shows you each webinar next to the revenue it influenced. Let's build this together. Quick note before we get started, this assumes you have integrated your webinar platform, in my case Contrast Webinars, to HubSpot. If you haven't done this yet, we do have a separate video covering this. Go check it out first. Now we need to build a custom report inside HubSpot. So in the left navigation bar, go to Reporting, then click on Reports. And in the top right corner, you have the Create button. Click on it and select Create Report. Here we're going to go with the custom report, so click Next. Now we are building a custom report and deals are the main data source. So just toggle this on, select deals, and we're going to also need the app events. This is the data that Contrast Webinars pushes into the platform. So we selected already the data we need. Now we are good to go, so click Next. We're going to select the vertical bar for the visualization because it's going to be easier for us to read the data like that. First, we need to grab the webinar name from the app event side. So every row is tied to an actual event. All my data here comes from replays, so that's what I'm going to use. Let me just search webinar name. So I'm going to select webinar replay view. I'm going to drag and drop it to the x-axis. Then we're going to go back to deals and we're going to select the amount in company currency. We're going to drag and drop it to y-axis. This is your deal value. From here, it's going to be filtering. So I'm going to click on the filters tab. We need to set the deal stage to closed won. So I'm going to just drag and drop it here. Then click on it to apply a filter. I'm going to say it's equal to true and click apply. We are doing this because we only want revenue we have actually won and not the open pipeline. Then we need to add a filter so the webinar name is known. So click on it and click apply. This filter actually drops every deal that has no webinar attached. Right now, it's showing us all the closed won deals tied to a webinar, including the ones that closed before the webinar happened, which is a problem for us. We don't want these leads to show in this report. So we need to add a formula field here that calculates the number of days between the webinar date and the close date. Deals that closed after the webinar will come back positive, and deals that closed before the webinar come back negative. So let's add the formula here. Here you can see the add button. Click on it. Make sure you add the formula as it is here. Don't skip anything. So on the top right side we have the create formula button. Click on it. And we have the one last filter to only include records where that formula is greater than 0. We need to drag and drop it to the filters section. Then click on it and select is greater than 0. Click apply. You can even change the timestamp. Let's say we want to see last 90 days. Click apply. We have just removed every deal that was already closing or was closed before the webinar. And what's left now is the real webinar influence. There it is. You have a report showing each event you have run next to the revenue it actually influenced. So next time someone asks whether your webinar made money, don't just guess. Send them this report.